Hello there. Today in the series of land vehicles I will briefly introduce you to the DINGO 2 pickup. And there you see there are so many variants you wouldn't have expected, and that's why I'm making all those variant videos as well. The safety of soldiers has a special priority in military operations, and with the DINGO family, Kraus-Maffei-Wegmann or KMW has developed a highly mobile wheeled vehicle that uncompromisingly meets this requirement thanks to its protection concept. In cooperation with the German defense authorities, the DINGO was tested and qualified in accordance with official test conditions. The vehicle impressively demonstrated its outstanding properties in extensive tests against ballistic threats, anti-tank mines, artillery fragments and IEDs. The risk of injury to the occupants was reduced, and that beyond the prescribed level. Thus, the DINGO family has a level of protection that has not been achieved by other vehicles in its class. With a safety cell, KMW guarantees direct occupant protection against pressure waves and ballistic threats. A mine-proof seating system prevents the transmission of blast energy to crew members, and if you have a look at it, you will know why. The protection-optimized stowage concept for equipment and personal equipment also protects the occupants from the secondary effects of mine and IED pressure waves. Combat wheels with run-flat rings ensure sufficient residual mobility over 50 kilometers in the event of a destroyed tire casing or loss of pressure. And this ensures that after an attack, it's possible to leave the immediate area of danger under one's own power. And an integrated NBC, that's nuclear, biological and chemical protection system, also allows safe use in contaminated environments. And probably no other Bundeswehr vehicle has saved as many lives as the DINGO. As an all-protection transport vehicle or ATF, it's particularly in demand on convoy or patrol trips. Due to its relatively small dimensions, narrow and winding streets in built-up areas can also be easily driven on. And its Unimog chassis makes it agile and off-road. And of course, the DINGO is also armored. And this armor can withstand a few kilograms of TNT explosives and also light machine gun fire. Its weapon station can be operated under armor protection in general. The ATF DINGO can generally be armed with the MG3 machine gun, the 40mm automatic grenade launcher, or a .50 heavy machine gun. The DINGO can generally accommodate up to 8 people, and the Bundeswehr owns more than 500 DINGOs in different versions. They are mostly used in the Army and in the Armed Forces base, but we had some at the Air Force as well. The secret of the DINGO 2's success is not only its first-class protection and mobility properties, but also its variable equipment concept. It enables specific equipment for current as well as future mission profiles. In addition to an extensive selection of equipment options, the safety cell can also be adapted to the needs of the customer. The cell of the patrol vehicle is manufactured in different variants for up to 8 occupants, as you know. The large capacity cell has doors on the side and on the rear and is suitable for a wide variety of conversion kits, for example command posts, NBC reconnaissance or ambulances. You learned about this in different videos already. As the state-of-the-art wheeled vehicle, the DINGO 2 is not only ideally equipped for a wide range of mission profiles and extreme terrain conditions, but also for long-term economical use. It is based on a militarized Unimog chassis. It enables a low training and instruction effort for drivers as well as mechanics. And the low maintenance robust diesel engine is also an economic advantage. And in addition, the KMW customer service offers a worldwide vehicle service, also directly in the area of operation, and supports with the supply of spare parts. And this ensures the full performance of the vehicles at quite all times. With the DINGO 2, Kraus-Maffei-Wegmann or KMW has developed a convincing answer to the diverse global threat scenarios. More than 800 vehicles of the powerful all protection transporter are already under contract for 6 nations. And the product features are, according to the manufacturer, a total weight of 12.5 tons for today's vehicle, a motor power of 163 kilowatts, a range of more than 1,000 kilometers, a speed of more than 90 kilometers per hour, a height of 2.5 meters, a length of 6.8 meters, a width of 2.39 meters, and a crew of up to 8. And the armament is usually a remote-controlled weapon station with an MG with 5.56 millimeters or 6.62 millimeters, or a 40 millimeter grenade launcher. It thus offers an ideal platform for demanding transport and logistics operations in today's version. And according to the manufacturer, it has certain features here. A payload of up to 3 tons of payload, a security cell for a crew of 3. It has a loading area or twist lock system for containers. It has a self-defense with remote-controlled weapon stations. And if you want to know more about interesting military technology, you'll find my next video right here in the end screen. I'll see you there. I'll be back.